Hello world. I'm out in the garden today. I figure it is a nice morning, maybe to do some photography. I got some beautiful flowers popping up everywhere. The sunflowers are really going crazy right now. We've been having storms, as you can see. The clouds are really nice, so it is raining on me right now, but I'm out here trying to get some good shots. So I got my 50mm on. I'm gonna mess around with some settings, and let's look at this big one. Huge mammoth sunflower. I don't know if you can tell, but my glass keeps fogging up. All the condensation going on, so I'm just gonna work with the fog, and maybe it'll be some moody, dreamy looking pictures. I don't know. We're just gonna wing it. Just whatever the conditions throw at you, just go with it. I think a lot of these are coming out pretty dreamy and moody feeling, just because my glass on my lens keeps fogging up. But I'm trying to work my angles, and I changed my settings to let a little bit of light in or a little less light in. Okay, I got quite a few shots, and I think a lot of them turned out pretty good, so I'm gonna go ahead and edit. Thanks for watching.